Alright guys, so we have successfully upgraded our memory guys. So see, from 2 GB to 4 GB. Alright guys, so just an update. Apart from that, we already successfully upgrade our RAM from 2 GB to 4 GB. But based on my research, we can upgrade this up to 6 GB. But you need to use one 2 GB and one 4 GB. Alright guys, so also I have an update. See, this is the original memory, so see, the specification is 6400S. so this laptop can also support a 6400S RAM, so not only PC2 5300, because see, before I upgraded this one, this is the original one installed. So based on the research, only it will only support PC2 5300 most articles, but I was just surprised that when I checked the original ROM, see, it's 1 GB 6400S, which means this laptop can also support 6400S, which is widely used, and you can purchase this one and use in tandem with a 5300S memory. Okay, check this one. Right, so we'll focus. So this is also the original, which is 5300S, and the other one is the 6400S. so both are original installed in this laptop before I upgrade and replace it with the 4 GB 5300. Alright guys, so which means this laptop is very flexible. So if you have this one, you can buy up to 6400S RAM to be used for upgrade up to the maximum of 6 GB using one 2 GB and one 4 GB. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So we successfully upgrade our laptop, right? So you can upgrade this laptop, MacBook 1181, up to the maximum of 6 GB. So one 4 GB and one 2 GB. So, and also from 5300S and 6400S memory frequency. So this is very flexible guys, so you can source out the RAM. So it's very nice one. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.